Well, today my buddy Don and I are going to hike up Soapstone Lake, and here in just off of Highway 53 and Highway 26 here in Coast Range, Oregon. And it's about 3 miles or so. Supposedly you can catch fish out of this lake. The last time I fished here, all we caught was rough-skinned newts, and I don't recommend eating those because, well, they'll kill you. So we'll see what goes on. And look at that sun. Not too bad for early March. Life is good. And there's a little stairway to heaven here we're going to hike up. So we're at the far end of the lake, going down the trail, and this is looking north, and you can see the whole length of the lake. It's not as big as I remember it, but I guess it just hasn't been raining as much, or maybe they've messed around with the hydraulics a little bit. So we just did about 3 miles doing the whole loop here at Soapstone Lake. A beautiful day in March, and about 460 feet of elevation gain, so a nice hike for a family or kids, or just because you want to do something that's beautiful.